Hello, welcome to the next episode of Staraptor Luck plays Pokemon Platinum. Today we're gonna go up against the next Elite Four member. No, I know who it is. I don't know if we can win this. My Pokemon aren't high enough leveled. Let's see what I can do. Okay. Yo, trainer! You had me counting days of my fingers waiting for you to come. I heard from Voltner what you did in Sunyshore. You managed to light a fire in that guy's heart again. How could you not expect me to look forward to seeing you in a battle? You're facing a fire-type Pokemon user with me. Let Flint hot your spirit and burn. Let Flint see how your spirit burns. Yeah. I didn't read that right. Okay, next up is Flint. 5 Pokemon. Houndoom is first. I have an item that boosts the power of water type moves. Oh, no. Sunny Day. This is gonna make things a little harder. Still did a lot of damage though, despite the Sunny Day weakening the attack. He's probably gonna come at me with a... Actually, I don't know. Probably a fire type move because it's neutral against me. I don't think he could stay with Candiety for long. Jesus! Not even a critical? Oh, it's boosted by the sun. I need to get rid of the sun. I need to sacrifice Mitchell in order to get rid of the sun. You're probably gonna come at me with a fighting move. I need to get rid of the sun. Sun, be gone! Be gone, sun. The weather wars has begun. Sun versus winter. Even though I prefer the summer over the winter. Oh, an earthquake. That's pretty good to know. I think that's a pretty good... Now you're probably gonna go for a fire punch. Fire punch. Couldn't survive a fire punch from this range. Beans would actually be able to survive a fire punch from this range. A Flare Blitz. This was a wise... What? I thought that was neutral. Oh, wait. I forget. But Beans still tanked the hit. This is gonna be a disaster. I can already tell. It's gonna be a disaster. Ah, the wood. I'm going with return. I don't think that'll take out Beans. It took out Beans. Oh yeah, it's 4 times super effective. What am I saying? Is there a Pokemon faster than this Infernape? We have Staraptor. Why didn't I send out Staraptor? I'm so dumb. I should have. And it low. It's all perfect. I think. No. I believe in Staraptor. You can outspeed this person. Take it out with a Brave Bird. I think you could take a Flare Blitz. Direct Flare Blitz. Oh yeah. That takes out the Infernape. Not only that, Staraptor gets to level 54. think there might be another Pokemon that could that can activate Sunny Day. Okay, I think this thing's about to go to a direct electric move. Oh, here we go. And I don't think this thing's too fast. Oh, here we go, the plays. This is his ace in the hole as well. The plays. Yeah, I knew it had an electric move. I think it's about to activate Sunny Day. Can Pan outspeed this? Here we go. Nope. I wonder, does Hail weaken fire moves? Oh my god, this thing is tough. His luck's the best hope. We gotta hope that... Confuse Ray? Oh, without speeds. I have to bank on this. I have to bank on this. That'll hurt itself in confusion. Not only that... yeah, it won't go for the... It definitely won't go for the Thunderbolt, since I'm... So, I think I'm pretty safe to go into Candidity. It's intense. All good. Where did... A smooth prediction. If I can outspeed... No way! Stupid citrus berries. Hopefully this works. Oh! Come on! That is trash. What type of... The Candidity's gone. We could still land another Confuse Ray. And... We're still fast enough to land another Confuse Ray. We're slowly whittling down its health. We can't get any attacks off of it. Nah, I was able to connect it, but at least it got confused, so there's still a chance. We only have 2 left. Oh my god. How many does he have? I think he has like 3 Pokemon. It's 3 against 2. We have to take it out fast. We have to take it out before it does like something. Brave Bird. Always use the Brave Bird. Good, it's taken out, but... Come! Can we never get a break? Of course, it's a burn. Right, this is our last. And after Staraptor dies, which will probably happen, the last Pokemon we have is 4 times weak. How are we supposed to do this? Well, might as well use his strongest attack. Of course. Gotta add that salt to the wound, and I have a quick attack. I gotta add that salt. There's no way out. We lost. Unless, for some reason, the next 2 Pokemon don't have fire techniques. Which would be very strange. Just throw a bunch of yeah. What? No way. No way. If we somehow win this, I'll give a banana to everyone in the world. Like, nothing. Blizzard would probably... I thought Focus Blast was good. Blizzard? It's over. Unless Mitchell ain't gonna. I know Mitchell's a kind of bulky, but he can't survive it. I'm out of Pokemon. I paid a bunch of money. And I blacked out. No, I didn't. We did a decent job against Flint. We did better than I expected. He only had 2 Pokemon left. So, get Pokemon full health. Yeah, I guess we're gonna continue the training. I'm gonna go level 55. So yeah, back to training again. I don't know why. I should be depressed. Because I just started this video. I should be depressed. Oh yes, I just remembered. I gotta get that egg. Just in case there's a chance we get that lucky egg. Who ain't that training for? We're gonna train you in the snow, so. You stay here. Hey, I wonder if they have more eggs. Let's check. Okay. We'll go back. So yeah, I guess there are no eggs. Train Mitchell. I can't stand training. We're so close to winning. So close. So many parts. This series is too long. We're so close though. I can taste victory. I can taste it. Goodbye. Training will probably get easier as we go on. Because we're getting stronger and we can easily kill Pokemon. I mean, not kill you. You know what I mean, guys. Yeah?
Yeah? Mommy and Daddy are gonna go for a ride and we're gonna come back with pizza.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Okay. Thank you. This is time to end the episode. Oh, Steelix, that's rare. Kind of. Bye.